So now that I've got my colors set, good angle, the lighting the way I want it with some shadows in there, this is the front view of the house. We're going to render that. You do want to make sure that when you look at the printer output icon that the percentage is all the way up to 100. Verify that it's still 1920 by 1080. Don't be changing that. We'll go ahead and render the image. I like to use F12 when I do that. And there's our picture. We'll save the image. Save as. Make sure you're in your output folder. I'm going to go up one level. You can see here's my output folder. We'll put today's date, 25/02/07. You put your date. And this is Blender House and then your name. Let's do one more angle. 2 images are required. So I'm going to lock this. You see how it's locked right here? As long as you're looking through the camera, you have that lock. Now wherever I move my point of view, the camera comes with me. I'd like to see the corner of the window there. Really shows off the hard work we put into that. And I've got my brick textures. I've got the door right here. I added some wood. If you have security panels, extra windows, peepholes, doggy doors, anything like that, you can either include them in this shot or you can make another image that's got just that in it if you want to give some close-up details there. Pressing F12, image, save as, and I can just change this and I can put the Blender House detail. You do detail 1, 2, 3. But there you go. Those are the 2 images in the output folder that you're going to need to attach to the Blender image assignment. So we got the SketchUp one, but this is the Blender one. Don't get them mixed up.